We have an abusive dog in our neighborhood, our neighbor right there. And we're gonna go feed it some treats. Screw you!
Don't throw too many treats. Okay, stop throwing them and just let it bark at it. Arf! Arr! Arr! Hey, you!
He looks like an animal.
Are you on crack, dog? Are you? Arr! Nah!
If he eats a lot, he's gonna get sick.
Oh, now he's nice because we're giving him treats. Hi, Sierra. Hi, girl. Hi. Give her a treat.
We're not allowed to give it this one.
Oh, okay. Okay, now just piss it off again. Oh, Jesus. You go a wild man. Go wild man like I just did. Go like... Oh, shit, dude. That's scary. Oh, jeez.
Here! Here, puppy!
No. Oh, Jesus. No! Jesus.
You want it? You want it? Come here, come here.
Dude, don't put your finger in front of that thing with a tree. It'll bite your hand off. You jump up and down, go like this. Nah! Go a wild man on it. Hey, no. Hey,
What is
hey.
animal?
Ah! Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, run!